Good.
Yep.
So we're getting a lot better at tracking the grain of these things. You can actually see the crack line developing right through the centre. So watch where you stand because these are better ready to fall in half. And using a claw hammer as well. That's just, what is it, 10 ounce claw hammer maybe? 18 ounce, nothing major. So the line right down the centre. I didn't even get that one in. Just watch it fall in half. Oh, that one's loose. That one's loose. They're all loose. You just hear it popping. Listen to the sound change. Doesn't get much better than down the centre like that. Let me get the bar.
It's awesome. All the way through.
Watch your feet.
Yep. It's going to be your way, I think.
Save the clutch. Bought some new ones. We bent a few, I'll show you them in a sec. Just about falling off, I think. God, it's heavy still.
Good 500 kilos of rock there.
It'll be somewhere like that because, what is it? 2.2 tonnes a cubic metre. Or similar, something like that. Might be an excavator job, but anyway. That's how you split a rock straight down the centre. Now, if you looked at that, you'd never think that it'd break in the middle like that. He's going to grab the digger, eh? And Stephen's going to grab the digger and smash it in half. That's a big rock. Foot for reference. It's a big rock. You bought another set of these. I'll link them again. They work amazing. I need to lube these even just after their first time. Lubrication is important. So a few things happen to them. They bend a little bit. That's probably one of the better old ones. If you try and get them out, you'll break the tips off them. So you're better off just keep going until you actually break them. See if you can push the side over. There you go. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Isn't that amazing? You can see where I've been drilling, I've used water straight down there. But you can see every one of my drill marks is perfectly in that seam that it broke down. I think we finally got this worked out.
Pretty.
Took a little while to, well, like we looked at it for 5 minutes before we started drilling. But that one will probably need splitting again because it's quite heavy. But this one we should be able to get in the truck. Well, that's a rock that's sold now, so that's much better than what it was. We couldn't do anything with it the way it was. And yeah, so I'll link the feathers again, see if anyone wants some of them to split up a rock that's in their way. But for now we're just going to keep digging them out. They're everywhere. Doesn't look too good on video, but when you look, they are everywhere. There's a few up there we've split, you can see the blue colour to them. Yeah, thanks for watching.